This is the back in the backyard, the garage, and the little shed roof. Both are metal. Separate proposal aside from the house and the porches on the main. He wants both of these estimated, torn off, and replaced with standing seam. Once again, this is separate from the main house proposal. This back porch and the upper main have metal on here now. Wants it completely torn off and a standing seam roof. Also included is this little roof above the side door. Also the main house roof and the front porch roof. 305 Park Avenue. Removing the metal, putting down standing seam in its place.